as the ad says, I'm forming a team of superhero warriors, banded together to rid the world of evil. Bring a headshot? Mm-hmm. Great. So, Amazing Paul. What's your power?
I could bend metal with my mind.
A master of metallurgy? Promising. Impressive. What else can you bend? Tanks? Enemy fighter planes?
A four-prong.
Go. Okay. I'm only interested in people with actual superpowers. No more balloon folders, thumb wrestlers, synchronized swimmers, air guitarists, puppeteers, sock, or shadow.
Hi there. The name's Stormfront. I'm here to join the Defenders of Decency.
Oh, really? Well, FYI, you don't join the DoD. You undergo a rigorous battery of tests. And if you survive with your unitard in one piece, then I decide if you're worthy. First off, what are your quote-unquote powers?
I can channel the devastating fury of an electrical storm.
I think you could squeak onto my roster.
I used to own this town. Now it's all turned upside down. I wish I could figure out. Do you think it's just a phase I'm going through? Just a phase I'm going through.
You know, I never really thought of myself as a superhero. But when people need help, I do what I can, especially when it's Merton. Merton! Merton, what's going on?
Is everything okay? Martin said it was an emergency.
I don't know.
No, Lori. Everything is not okay. You should have been here at least 39 seconds ago.
Martin, you're hurt.
And he's bald. Who did this to you, little buddy? I'll woof him up for you, huh?
No. The wheelchair and close but not perfect bald head are affectations I'm borrowing from the great Professor Xavier, leader of the Uncanny X-Men.
So, why are you borrowing them?
Because I am now Master Maven, leader of the Defenders of Decency.
The Defenders of what?
Well, you know how we're always talking about formalizing our crime-fighting operation and finding like-minded heroes with superpowers to complement our own?
Not really.
No.
Well, I've done it! I found a fourth member for our crusade against evil. Let's give it up for the superhero stylings of Stormfront! Merton?
Can we talk to you for a second?
What can I do you for?
What's going on, man? Who is this guy?
A Stormfront! AKA Stormy. He's got all the powers of an electrical storm. Didn't you see him do the thing? Stormy, do the thing again.
No, Merton, we saw fine, but why do we need another member?
Can't you just give him a chance? If you don't like it, we can go back to just the three of us. In 7 years, when his contract expires.
Welcome aboard. I'm Tommy Dawkins.
Gotcha.
Welcome to the first training session for the Defenders of Decency.
What? What are you saying in there? I can't hear you.
Yeah, and where's your wheelchair?
Oh, my dad refused to build a wheelchair ramp, and the bald cap gave me a rash. So I changed affectations. This is my gamma shield. You like? I'm not married to it. Now, for our first tactical exercise.
Why do we have to train at all, huh? Why can't we just show up on game day?
Tommy, do you think Aquaman just doggy paddled his way to the rescue and danger was afoot? No. What you didn't see were the countless hours spent swimming laps at the local YMCA.
So what kind of training are we gonna do?
Well, just a little something I've masterminded. Tommy, behind you! Congratulations, Tommy. You just decapitated Grandma.
What? Huh.
Part of being a hero is knowing the good guys from the bad guys. Stormy, 10 o'clock! Yes, Stormy, yes! See, Tommy and Lori, that's perfect. That's how it's done. Now, defenders, let's train.
So, we train. And train. And train. Oops. And by the end, well, I actually think I got pretty good at telling the good guys from the bad guys.
You've all made Master Maven so proud. Tommy, you may have disfigured 37 innocent townsfolk, but you did it with style and panache. I hereby dub thee Darkfang.
Congrats. I had my doubts, but I think you'll make a great sidekick.
Sidekick?
Lori, though you lack an actual superpower, I'm taking you on as a junior member. May your spunk serve you well throughout your apprenticeship. Your DoD code name is Ladybug. And Stormfront! Stormfront! What can I say about Stormfront? You have inspired us all. Okay. I hereby declare the defenders of decency ready for action.
I used to own this town. Now it's all turned upside down. It's just a phase I'm going through.
So, not bad for a rough cut, huh? I went way over budget. But if I sell just 7,000 copies, I'll break even.
I don't know, Merton. There's something kind of weird about Stormfront.
It's Stormy's slight overbite, isn't it? I begged him to see a periodontist.
I thought you said your little superhero didn't have any flaws.
Lori, let's watch our tone, okay? Stormy would never speak ill of you. In fact, yesterday he said with a little more makeup and the right wardrobe, he'd consider going out with you.
This guy's pretty cocky, though, Merton. He called me his sidekick.
Look, I'm not asking you guys to like him, okay? Do you think Superman cared for Batman? With his grim attitude and ambiguous relationship with Robin? No, of course not. They were pros. Besides, you gotta admit, Stormfront makes a pretty great superhero.
Hello, Channel 6 News. Get a crew down here, quick. The Rialto Theater is on fire. Yes, I'm sure. I'm watching it blaze right now.
Somebody has to get the defenders fired up and ready for action.
Oh, who's that supposed to be?
Me, Darkfang?
And you don't notice anything wrong with it?
Well, you know, sure, the hair's a little off, and the patch is on the wrong eye, and he's not in a vintage suit from the 1960s, but otherwise the resemblance is uncanny.
Whoa, guys. Come here, check this out. Here, I'll turn it up.
When an unknown arsonist set fire to the Rialto Theater, the blaze was extinguished by an obscure hero who probably wishes to remain anonymous.
My name is Stormfront, star member of the Defenders of Decency. After I had extinguished the fire, I heard a cry from within. I knew my work was not done.
What?
Let my action tonight serve as a wake-up call to all those who dare to prey on the innocent and weak.
This is Bree Ashby reporting live for Channel 6 News.
What's this guy doing?
I know, a little shout out to Master Maven and the gang would have been appropriate, but hey, he's green. Guys, we've arrived. Everyone's talking about the Defenders and how Stormfront saved the town.
What's with the cane? Is that your new affectation?
No. My eye patch threw off my balance and I tripped over my gamma shield. My affectation du jour is to use French phrases. I think it adds a certain je ne sais quoi.
Yeah, it definitely adds something.
Mes amis, I've got a surprise. Voila! Costumes. De rigueur for any superhero. Tommy, chainmail codpiece for your protection. Lori, you'll be happy to know yours is fully machine washable.
Merton, you're dreaming if you think I'd wear that.
Yeah, man, I'm not wearing mine either.
Sacre bleu! What are you gonna wear to our paid personal appearance at SeaWorld? Or Izzy Glickstein's bar mitzvah? I've already cashed the check.
Merton, what is your problem? We used to do good because it meant something. Now, ever since you and your beloved Stormfront got together, it's all about the fame and the money.
Easy, Tommy, okay? That kind of insubordinate backtalk can get you put on probation with the DOD.
Well, don't worry about it because I quit.
Fine. C'est la vie. I, Stormfront, and Ladybug will do just fine without you.
Actually, Merton, I quit too.
See you, pal. Good luck.
Don't think there aren't other superheroes out there. Bonjour, Amazing Paul. Comment allez-vous?
I used to own this town. Now it's all turned upside down. It's just a fake.
I knew Merton was excited about him, but there was something about Stormfront I just couldn't trust.
Please, allow me. I'll light your fire anytime, sweetheart.
Come on.
Please, excuse me. Well, if it isn't the Quitters,
I notice you can start fires.
just a little party trick.
Yeah, come to think of it, you know, you were at the Rialto awfully fast the other night. It's weird. It's almost as if you knew about the fire in advance.
Well, what are you saying?
I'm saying you better pray I don't find out you started that fire. Or I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your world down. Cutie.
Dark Fang. I'll just whip up some wind.
Quick. Darkfang, give me the baby.
What?
I'm serious. You've got to get out of here. Look, Tommy, I know we've had our differences, but I wouldn't mess with you on something like this. You've got to get out of here.
months ago, tragedy nearly struck the quiet town of Pleasantville as the werewolf abducted an innocent child right from its stroller. If not for the heroism of a man they call Stormfront, the mood here would surely be different.
Now hear this. I vow to the people of Pleasantville, your streets shall once again be safe from evil. For the defenders of decency shall capture and destroy the werewolf.
Big kudos on the DOD plug.
It was nothing.
One quibble, you publicly promised to destroy Tommy.
It's genius. Think about it. Darkfang's a liability. If we rid the town of the evil werewolf, we'll be heroes. Forever.
Yeah, here's the hiccup. Tommy isn't evil. He's my best friend. But don't worry, I put a call into the station and they're willing to let you make a retraction.
That's not my style, Master Maven. I thought we shared a vision. I guess it's time for Stormfront to go solo. Call Darkfang, tell him I'd like to fight him to the finish.
Ha! Tommy's a real hero. He only fights when there's a good reason.
Well, perhaps if his best friend's life was in danger.
Yeah, that's a perfect example. If his... You know who he's really chummy with? Tim Jenkins from the football team. Yeah, I think I have his number.
I have a better idea.
Tommy! Hi. I realize we're on the outs, but I was wondering if you could maybe do one last little favor for me. Save me!
Well, Merton had gotten himself into trouble, and it was up to me to get him out. I wasn't doing it to be a superhero. I was doing it to be a friend.
Darkfang! Ladybug!
You looking for me, Wendy?
Well, what a surprise.
Come on, give me your best shot. Hey, I've got something in my pocket that can help Tommy.
Where did he go? Looks like Darkfang is now dark meat.
Don't look.
I have an idea. Right here, windbag!
Time to turn Ladybug into a firefly. Oopsie.
Hey, Stormy! Is that all you got? I thought you were gonna bring your A game.
Get ready for an electrifying experience, Wolf Boy.
Come on. Yeah, you're tough.
Give me that thing!
Knock him into the puddle, Tommy. It'll short out his powers.
Don't mess with Darkfang.
I knew he was trouble from the minute he blew into town.
My powers are gone.
Get him, Tommy. Show no mercy.
No, you see, a real superhero wouldn't hurt a helpless person. So why don't you get up and get out of here before I change my mind? Go!
Well, Merton, the lack of color is returning to your face.
I don't want to spend a whole lot of time trying to reconstruct whose fault this was.
Me neither. It was yours.
My point is, I wouldn't want to be part of any team that didn't include you guys. Yeah. Hi, Mrs. Fishbein? Yeah, could you tell Amazing Paul that the DOD has officially disbanded?
In the end, Merton remembered what being a hero was all about. He gave up the Defenders and put away all his silly affectations.
What? It's prescription. Doctor's orders, I swear.
And as for Stormfront, well, he may have lost his powers, but he did retain a special connection to the weather.
And it's going to be a wet one out there, folks. Back to you, Bree.